Boat Ride with the Cameraman shows what it was like when 95% of the city of Fairbanks went underwater. Alaska's worst natural disaster since the great earthquake of 1964 was caused when the chain of rivers, swollen by 5 days of steady rainfall, rose 5 feet in one night to a crest of 20 feet. Half the population of 30,000 are driven from their homes. The death toll is mercifully kept to a handful because of prompt and efficient rescue teams working round the clock. The city, which is the second largest in the state, loses all communication with the outside world. The urgent need for food, uncontaminated water, medical supplies, nurses, doctors, clothing, and bedding prompts President Johnson to declare this a national disaster area. No part of the city is spared as its river goes on the wildest rampage in the 66 years of Fairbanks' existence.